Hello, Chef here with yet another simple but useful video for you, the viewer. So I've got this beautiful orange here. It's perfectly ripe, and I'm going to show you a couple of tricks on what to do with this. A few different tricks. So some of these are very important. When I go out to dine, I'm amazed. The restaurants have no idea what's going on. Clueless on some of the basic things like orange zest. There you go, that's orange zest. If I order a hot tea and I ask for orange zest, that's what I'm looking for right there. Not orange juice, but orange zest. So here we go. I'm going to show you 3 ways to simply make orange zest. It's very, very easy. Of course, I'm going to utilize the orange in a different recipe. I just want to show you how to make orange zest. So number 1, using a knife. Titanium. I like it. Made in Japan. So it's a good idea to get your balance, and to do that you want to cut off the top or the bottom like this. Discard this little piece and now it sits flat. Yeah, that's your first little chef tip right there. Now the orange is flat, we're ready to go. I'm just gonna remove some of the zest like this with the knife. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, looks good already, don't it? Here you go. This is what we're looking for, the zest. Line it up, cut it up like this. Oh yeah, what I've got here is some julienne orange zest. Looking really, really good. Yeah, orange zest. Okay, now you put this in the sun and let it dry out, and you'll have this. Then when chef says, "Can I please have some orange zest?" you say, "Certainly." There we go. That's the first orange zest right there. Okay, I'm done with the knife for now. I'm moving on. We call this a zester. This one's made in Germany. Sharper, better quality, and of course you can score these tools at the sponsor. So you want to get the good stuff the first time. Why would you want the junk just because it's cheap? No, get the good stuff. Trust me. All right. Orange zest, here we go. I'm just going to go like this. Yeah, nice. Beautiful orange zest. So if I ask you for some zest, now you've got 2 ways to zest already, right there. Okay, I've got 2 different types of zest. Looking good. Oh yeah, some of my tools here. Thought I'd share this with you. Oh yeah, look at that, what we got going on here. Zester, melon ballers, crinkle cutters, paring knives, channel knives, heart scoops, Parisian honeycomb scoop, oval scoop, Chinese fruit carving tools, some small cutters, cores. You already know about the titanium knives from Japan. Wow! Make sure to check out the website. Alright, just going to mix it all together there. I'm done with this little tool. If you need one of these, hit up your sponsor. Okay, and then number 3, we're going to go with a regular grater. You can use a box grater, or you can use any type of grater you want to. So for that, I'm going to get these other tools out of the way. I'm going to move a pan over here so I can catch all of my orange zest. And I'm going to use this grater like this here. Pretty cool stuff right there. Yeah. Just going to really quickly, back and forth, zest this orange. Oh yeah, smells so good. Now this would be really good in a lot of recipes. Some of them are on this channel. We've got muffins and cakes and cookies and breads and pies and tea and chicken dishes and fish dishes, all kinds of things on this channel that are going to be really good with this orange zest. Okay, so remember this little tip Chef gave you. If someone asks you for orange zest, now you know what you're doing. Make sure to like, share, subscribe the video, and that'll help other people find the channel. It's very important. Alright? There we go. This orange has now been fully zested. Yeah. Orange zest number 3. Look at that orange. It's beautiful now. Yeah, ready to go for the next recipe. So that's it. I've shown you 3 different types of orange zest. I'm going to put them all here in the pan. And now you've got some more skills, some more ideas. Things to work on there. Yeah. Another first on YouTube. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right there. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.